Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Symmetry is when a shape is exactly the same on both sides of a central line called a line of symmetry. Many geometric shapes like circles, triangles, and trapezoids are symmetrical across one or multiple lines. Some organic shapes are symmetrical as well. I can fold and cut construction paper to make symmetrical shapes. All I have to do is fold my paper in half and cut out a shape. The crease, or folded part of the paper, is the line of symmetry, meaning when the paper is folded in half, I only need to cut out half of the symmetrical shape I chose. Then, when I reopen the paper, magically, I have a symmetrical shape. Before I carry on with my finished artwork, I make sure to leave my workspace better than I found it by sweeping up any scraps and shreds, wiping up any spills or smudges, and returning all my materials and tools to their homes. Oh, and of course, I take time to thoroughly wash my hands with soap and water, leaving them clean and ready for whatever comes next. I hope that this video encourages you to try symmetrical cutting in your own style. Symmetrical shapes are super fun to make. So happy symmetry cutting, artists. Enjoy!